Hey ladies and gentlemen, today we are opening the 70 Qd65 QLED Samsung, and so as usual, this will be the stand. Can you show me? This will be the stand as the same old one, the previous one. Let me see. Okay. And okay. So, and our TV will be like that inside, and okay. So here is how it looks like. So as you know, we are going to install our TV, but you have to lie the TV here down on the box so that we'll do the installation. We'll do the wall bracket only. We are not going to put on the stand, but it's easy for you for the stand. Yeah. This is our, it's gonna be, can we see the stand first? So this is going to be our stand. So our stand normally will come here like that, but first, before we install here, you're gonna have to first install it on the base. This is the base, so let's try to do it on the base first. So on the base, normally it has this hook, so you'll have to push it into the hook, then it will hook up like that. Then let's do the stand here. We've inserted all the screwdrivers inside, so we are going to tighten it right now. So now, after making sure that everything is tight, see the stand, it will be firm. Show them. It's very tight now. Okay, now next is we are going to install it on the TV. Make sure when you're installing the TV, just put it on the box which it comes in, for the safety of the screen. So that you don't break the screen. It will be more safe when it's on the box. What happened? It's okay. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love you so much. Please recommend a friend to come and like our channel. Okay, it's so tight now. Let me rewind the video, like forward the video a little in time elapse, so it will be faster. Okay, no need to time elapse it. Okay, it's already firm, it's already steady, and okay. So ladies and gentlemen, what I forgot to tell you before we go on, this TV comes with the 4 HDMIs, like 4 HDMIs, and 2 USBs will be here. The first ones will be 2 USBs, USB 1 and USB 2. Then you'll go to for other 4 HDMIs, which the second one will be the ARC, and still the second will be the 120 hertz. Okay, so let's go. Sorry, number 3, that's the 120 hertz. So it's our time to test the TV right now. Let's switch it on. Ladies and gentlemen, this will be the remote, the new remote. And right now it's time to start our TV. Just plug in the cable as he's doing right now. Then now we are going to start our TV, and don't forget to remove the plastic like he's doing right now.
Skin paper.
Yeah, as he has called it. What do you call it? Skin paper?
Okay.
So we'll set our TV in English. We'll use the remote. I'll say that. Just skip. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we'll put in our Wi-Fi right now. So as we are putting our password, and password done, let's go to the next step. Okay, wireless connected, it's connected already. We are going to download the user agreement. Agree. Okay, then start setup. Okay, this will do it later. We'll do this later, and this later also. We'll do that later. So whatever you're going to connect, I'm not going to connect anything on a HDMI from my source, so I'll do that later. You can do it when you're doing your own TV, not my display. And ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe. This is once again the 65 Q70D 2024 model, and there we have it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is done already. Since we understand, we'll put in the demo mode. So if you want to put in demo mode, you'll go to the settings, whatever. Oh. Before we do the demo mode, I'll check my software whether it's updated. It's not yet updated, so it's updating now. The thing's gonna restart, so right now I'll first cross this one because I don't have time. So I'll just do my demos for the store. And ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This will be 4 zeros if you're adding or removing in demo mode. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our 2024 Samsung 4K QLED Q70. Love you, and don't forget to subscribe once again.